New milestone that is reached here on the channel and a new DIY that's coming here in a few days. Stick around for this. First and foremost, I do want to thank you guys for sticking around at the channel, subscribing, sharing with your friends, and even watching the videos. I cover, I think, over 400 videos on the N54, so on the E90, this car alone. And the main reason why I wanted to start this channel is because the need was out there on the N54 platform as far as DIYs and things to look out for, because that's also important outside of working on a car, is knowing like what mods to buy next, what things to do when you tune your N54, what things should you do and do not do, things what you should look out for when you're buying the car. So a lot of that stuff rolled up into one is very important, is why I started the channel. So guys, we hit over 60,000 subscribers. We're now at 62,000 subscribers. Moving on the way up, soon to hit to 70, 80, 90, and 100. And I want to be here without you guys as far as all the support that you give here on the channel. So thank you very much as well. If you don't follow me on Facebook and Instagram, it's BMW Fanatic on Facebook, BMW Fanatic _YouTube on Instagram. Very easy to find me. I'm the only one out there. So make sure you follow me over there as well. I just got back from a week vacation down in Hilton Head Island in South Carolina. I was able to meet up with one person as far as that, see my videos and stuff like that. There was a few others I didn't get to, so I do apologize. But it was a busy family vacation, lots of stuff that I had going on at that time. So the next DIY that I will be sharing here in the next few days, I'm starting it here tomorrow morning, is the full plug and play comm box. Now this comm box, which is from Nick, CIC Retrofit. I did a full CIC Retrofit navigation upgrade through Nick's, but if you haven't seen that DIY video, check out the video here above. Nick has a plug and play comm box, which I've talked about a few months ago. I do apologize for lagging on getting this to you guys, but it's here coming, and we're gonna get this installed and get it going. It's gonna be a quick and easy setup, coding and stuff like that from what Nick's gonna perform. So great guy through and through. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to him. I'll leave his direct email down below in the description box. So this is gonna be coming. I have a few garage things that I've been working on, other garage pieces that I've been doing as well, and a few more DIYs here coming this way. I do have to share the one winner for the DCI kit that I mentioned here not too long ago. So of course that's for the N54, so I'll be sharing with that. So lots of stuff coming here, and you'll be seeing the new DIY. I'm just waiting for the parts to arrive here. So all that stuff's gonna be going pretty quickly. And then I need to jump on the oil stuff. If you haven't seen that video, plenty of different DIYs to do. Gonna be here coming here at the channel. Well guys, thanks again for all the support here, and subscribing, and just like I said, sharing and watching the videos. All right guys, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks guys, and I hope you have a great start of your week. Take care.